Welcome to 3060 North Haussen. We're going to do a walkthrough of the first floor apartment, which has just been freshly painted and updated. From the first floor, we're going to walk right into the living room. Nice and bright. And let's go down the hall and we'll check out the bathroom first. Nice tub, nicely tiled. Shelf at the end to put all your good stuff. And as we go down the hall, on the left we have storage and your furnace, central heat, central air, of course. And then into a large eat-in kitchen. Check out the nice tile work, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, and under cabinet lighting, which makes such a big difference, doesn't it? Lots of room for a table. And then you also have a nice porch, some storage behind your apartment, and a nice backyard. As we go back in, on the left we have the first of two bedrooms. This one is a very nice size, large closet down in the end, the whole width of the room. Nice window. And let's go back out and go down the hall to the second bedroom, which is a cozy bedroom. And we have two closets and a little seating area here. So that's 3060 North Haussen, apartment number 1. Give us a call. We'd love to show it to you so you can walk through in person and check out how to place your furniture. Thanks. Give us a call at 773-961-7962. We do look forward to giving you a personal tour. Cheers.